You are going to love the 2018 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, power lift gate, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.